a $250,000 Chevelle SS with a legendary 396 big block Positraction power and the attitude that made the muscle car era unforgettable. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel and get ready to experience one of the most legendary American muscle cars ever built, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. This is not just another classic car. This is a rolling piece of American performance history, restored with incredible attention to detail and built around the kind of power, style, and attitude that defined an entire generation. The moment this Chevelle appears, it commands attention. Finished in a stunning dark red exterior paint, this muscle machine captures the aggressive personality that made the 1970 Chevelle SS one of the most desirable cars of the era. The iconic body lines, chrome accents, factory-style grille, and original-style emblems create a perfect combination of elegance and aggression. Add the bold white painted stripes running across the body, and this Chevelle instantly delivers that unmistakable super sport appearance that collectors dream about. This is the kind of car that doesn't need to announce itself. The design speaks for itself. Every curve, every piece of chrome, and every detail reflects the golden age of American muscle. The doors and trunk operate smoothly, while the new front bumper adds to the fresh, restored appearance of this incredible classic. But the real magic begins under the hood. Power comes from the legendary GM 396Ci L34 350 horsepower V8 engine. This big block powerhouse represents everything enthusiasts love about classic muscle cars: massive torque, instant throttle response, and a deep, unforgettable exhaust note. The engine is paired with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, delivering the classic performance feel that made these machines famous on the street and the drag strip. Behind that powerful V8 sits a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission, one of General Motors' most respected and durable transmissions. Built to handle serious power, the TH400 delivers smooth shifts while allowing the big block engine to perform exactly the way it was designed. The drivetrain continues with a 12-bolt rear end, a 3.23 bot-1 gear ratio, and Positraction. This combination gives the Chevelle excellent traction and helps transfer the V8's power to the road. Whether cruising down the highway or accelerating through the gears, this setup provides the confidence and performance expected from a true supersport. The aggressive stance of this Chevelle is enhanced by Oldsmobile wheels wrapped in BFGoodrich Radial T tires. Up front, 225/60 R15 tires provide balanced handling, while the wider 275/60 R15 rear tires create a muscular look and improved grip. The wide rear stance perfectly matches the powerful personality of this classic Chevrolet. Stopping power comes from a power front disc brake system combined with rear power drum brakes, while power steering makes this big block muscle car easier and more enjoyable to drive. Even comfort was considered, with factory-style air conditioning allowing drivers to enjoy classic performance without sacrificing modern convenience. Underneath, this Chevelle has received serious restoration work to ensure it performs as beautifully as it looks. The frame has been painted, the floorboards feature a primer finish, and the car includes a new exhaust system with polished tips that provide both style and performance. Additional upgrades include a new gas tank, new fuel lines, new brake lines, a new parking brake cable, jet-coated headers, fresh bushings, front and rear sway bars, and reinforced upper and lower control arms. These improvements help create a stronger, more reliable driving experience while preserving the classic muscle car character. Step inside the cabin and the attention to detail continues. The interior features beautiful parchment white vinyl upholstery, creating a premium contrast against the black vinyl dash, black carpeting, and black headliner. Chrome accents throughout the cabin add that classic Chevrolet style that makes these interiors instantly recognizable. The driver-focused cockpit includes a 3-spoke steering wheel, center console, staple shifter, factory-style gauges, and front and rear seat belts. Every element is designed to deliver the authentic muscle car experience while maintaining the quality expected from a high-end restoration. Even the trunk receives attention, featuring a finished appearance with a spare tire, proving that this Chevelle was restored as a complete automobile from top to bottom. With a price tag of $250,000, this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS represents the highest level of classic American muscle ownership. It combines legendary big block performance, iconic styling, upgraded mechanical components, and collector-quality restoration into one unforgettable package. The 1970 Chevelle SS is more than a car. It is a symbol of an era when horsepower ruled the streets, when V8 engines created legends, and when every drive became an unforgettable experience. This is the kind of machine that turns heads, starts conversations, and reminds everyone why classic American muscle cars will always have a special place in automotive history.